Hello, this is Emily from That's My Cuz, and I got a question for you. What do you think that we should name y'all? Because I don't know, I was thinking cousins. But anyway, today we're going to be cooking a frappe. It's different, and it's not makeup, and it's not games, and Lacey wanted me to do it too. So, if you ain't got no money, and you ain't got time for nothing, I mean, well, technically takes a lot of time, but anyway, let's go to the video. Let me fix y'all, cause y'all irritate. Okay, things that you will need. You will obviously need some ice, cause you know it's a frappe. You know, I might use all of this because we're gonna make a mocha. So stew up. I got heavy whipping cream. You know, you don't really necessarily have to do that. You could just use milk, and then coffee. You want to waste your mom's coffee, and oh, that's not coffee. Imagine, this is coffee. This is the coffee. This is cream, and then I think maybe you will need sugar depending on how sweet it is, and then you're also gonna need vanilla. But anyway, pour in the coffee. I don't know if I should bring y'all closer or whatnot. Maybe. No. Pour in the coffee. The coffee has been poured. Ooh. Hold on, y'all closer. Now, after you poured the coffee, you're gonna pour in cream. This is a different cream. It's more like the creamer for coffee. You know, it makes it sweet and stuff like that. That's like about 3. Then you just pour however much you want for this. I just put a little bit because I don't want it to be like, you know, whipped cream because no, not today. Anyway, you just put a little bit. And then we're gonna blend as of right now. Let's go on. I don't like how that looks. But anyway, you blend it for a little bit. And then turn this soup up. And I'm just gonna do like, probably not all of this, but you know, I don't know how much y'all want. But if y'all want a lot, you just put in a lot. It basically just depends on it. So I don't want mine to be that sweet, but I want it to be, you know what I'm saying? You just put that in. Ooh, I like that. I like that. I like that a lot. Ooh, oh, I'm weird. Okay. And caution, this is gonna be loud, so rip headphone users. Let me check it. What y'all want to do, if y'all you just like taste it a little bit, and if you don't like the taste, you could add like either sugar or more chocolate or whatever. Mine's tastes fine as of right now, and I'm just gonna pour it. I'm gonna pour it on the sink because girl, I ain't trying to make no mess more than I already gotta clean this. But anyway, I'll be right back. I don't know, I don't remember, but let me just tell you, it's good, and that's the tea. But yeah, that's how you make it. Gonna take a couple tries. I don't know, because I know dang well when I tried it, ooh, it tastes nasty at the first time. Now it tastes good. Let me know what y'all think. Like, comment, or whatever. Thanks for checking out this video. Don't mind my hair, by the way. Just don't come at me. And it's honestly, it's perfect. Like, ooh. But anyway, bye. Man, sometimes my eyes be sitting on the top. I'm like, man, don't be disrespectful.